the what now? No, I think you're...
All mixed up? Yep, that's you, Jabba.
I feel like I pulled a muscle in there.
Hey, Doughboy!
What? What?
Did you lick the beaters, or did the beaters lick you?
Oh, would you just shut up?
Yeah, I guess that's the least I could do. Hey, Doughboy!
Hey, can it, Fruit for Brains?
Hey, Doughboy!
What?
Rolling pin! Well, that's just flat out wrong. Oh, ow! Hey, have you tried wiggling?
Of course I have. It's no use. I get stuck.
Oh, hey, what if we greased you in butter?
I am greased in butter.
Too much information, dude.
This is the worst day ever.
Hey, what's going on over there? Uh-oh.
What? What is it?
Nothing.
That didn't sound like nothing.
Yuck, you should take a shower. You look all crusty.
By crusty, you mean golden brown. I tell you, Orange, that oven was the best thing that ever happened to me. I feel firm, like I can take on the world.
I don't know. You look like a loafer to me.
You think I'm full of hot air? Huh?
Nice. Don't worry, Lo. I'm sure that'll heal.
No, this is gonna hurt. Ow, my face!
Ooh,
Ow, my
face! Stupid heel, where'd he go?
Can't move my face.
Whoa, dude, I think you're toast.
Whoa, this is not good.
Man, you're really having a crummy day.
Is it hot in here or is it just me?
I don't know, let's ask Butter.
Huh? My face! My beautiful face!
Talk about a smear campaign. Geez, not like I'm trying to butter you up or anything.